camera. I knocked off the lens guard. I almost feel like maybe I should pop the other one off. It'll be all right, because I can just set it for lens guards.
He's just turning his camera on real quick. We pulled over to check something.
Can't be here? Oh. Well, I apologize. I'll leave in just a moment. I'm filming too, that's what's up. She was deep into season 3 of Orange is the New Black. Oh yeah, that camera's getting real low. Race to the lowrider song. It does it low. Holy. Guys, you didn't stop! You broke the law! I tried to get it on under the bridge too, but nobody knew. Wait, 3 or just 1 horn? I missed that. Here, go to like second. And just punch it whenever you're ready. It's not going, they're right there. That's crazy. He said smoked him. Oh man, I just wanted the respect. I got a Mustang. Whee! Look at that, the moon is already out, taunting us because the sun's gonna go down so early now. I just love it. Get my bike all in Supermoto trim, and the sun sets at like 2 in the afternoon. There we go. I gotta get used to this. Yeah, man, all the boys had to go home early. One bunch of adults. I still want to go play around a little bit, so I guess I will. Some urban silliness. This is the 4th Supermoto I've owned, and I've never owned a store-bought Supermoto. They've all been converted Supermotos. It's just shocking when you go to the Supermoto setup how different the bike feels. It's been a fun day. I miss it. I miss rolling out with the guys like that and just doing motard stuff. I just wish we'd gotten it done a little sooner in the year. See, it says dead end. It is a dead end. Look at that, it's a cul-de-sac. So there's always a way when you got a Supermoto. Hey, I drove a BMW, I could get all the way to the other lane. Notice this street will be extended as part of future development. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a little sticky. It's not looking good. I can literally see water everywhere across here. We're turning around. We're turning around while we still got momentum, boys. Abort. Wow, this is muddy over here too. I thought maybe I could, nope. Should we wipe my shoes off in this grass? And I'll put my feet down too here. Oh yeah, woo! I'm gonna pretend that helped. I have no idea. My fender held up. Well, that's done what it's supposed to do. It's been a fender. How have my forks done it? They just sucked in mud? Of course they have. Supermoto inverted fork life. Hooray. I forgot how not fun that is. Taking me back to my WR days. Bike's handling well, it brakes well, it does slippy slidey things. I'm getting more used to it. It's still a little, you know, new and unfamiliar to me, to be completely honest with you, but it feels easy to get used to. So the biggest thing I've noticed today, everybody who rode the bike also immediately picked up on, is the suspension. It is just too soft. I mean, the power isn't even a big deal, right? This bike is not crazy powerful, but it's fine. And you guys saw how it did against the WR250 now that it's got a 17 on the back. Check it out, dude. Comes factory without Teslas. You can totally customize it when you buy it. See that little piece above the tail light? If you don't want it purple, you can get it red. Wow, that was a car to get excited about, and it's not aged well in the way the cars have gone in the last few years. I'm liking this thing. I'm not, my plan too, by the way, is not just to like build it up and sell it. That's not something I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to just do builds and just get rid of them. I needed a project bike. Nothing was really floating my way, and the XR, as fun as it was, like, I could live without it. This is something I've talked about with Patreons. I really never talked about publicly that much. I love the XR. The thing was an absolute unicorn, but I don't know. Sometimes I just didn't meld with it quite as well as I'd like. We're full rabbit, boys. That's what we're calling this now. This is rabbit. We're in rabbit right now. Woo! We're gonna rear end this Dodge. Hey, what do y'all want to see though go on the bike next, like mod wise? There's a longer version of this video over on Patreon. It came out early. It's ad free. You can access that for only $1 a month, and if you do so, you got to link your Discord because we're in there all the time hanging out. It's a fun time, so join that. Otherwise, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for those of y'all who are supporting, and I'll see y'all in the next video.